Tesla Model S car was hacked. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Elon Musk Tesla Model S car was hacked back in 2016 by a Chinese security lab, Tencent Keen Security Lab.
汽车联网以后会不会有安全性问题呢？我们就带大家看一看汽车会产生的一些安全性的问题。
我们团队的安全研究，我们已经实现了关于特斯拉的无接触式远程控制。
They were able to control the car's braking system, steering wheel, able to open the sunroof, and can even able to open the power windows and the power gates of the vehicle. All of this is being able to get without any wires, without any physical connection, just a malicious Wi-Fi hotspot. Hackers were able to hack the Tesla Model S car infotainment and the automotive systems, and they were able to control the full vehicle remotely. And this has pushed the Tesla in a shocking state, and they have to push the firmware update for the vehicles in just 10 days. And this was a wake-up call to all the automotive companies like BMW, Porsche, Mercedes, Jaguar, Audi, and also the working professionals and the engineers working towards these automotive vehicles. And to be honest, guys, it's not only about the automotive vehicles, but all the embedded gadgets having the IoT connectivity, automation, wireless networks can be hacked and can be remotely controlled via hackers or other things. Let's get into some more examples. Let's explore some of the more such concerning news. Back in 2011, the US Air Force Predator air drones were being hacked by an Irani hackers.
A report about a security breach involving one of America's most important high-tech weapons.
Some Iraqi insurgents were able to download and then watch surveillance video from the very drones, those drones that were supposed to be keeping an eye on them.
And the hackers were able to control and have a command over the drone's live video feeds using the GPS spoofing and the radio signal jamming of the drone signal. While the exact details of this attack were classified as it's a US military attack on which it has been happened, but it is expected that the hackers were able to control the control system of the drones, and they were made to work on the embedded security techniques and the systems of their whole UAV flight of the Predator drones, and they were pushed all these updates within the span of 1 to 2 months. Let's have a look at one more such concerning news. Fast forward to 2021, Iran's national fuel distribution system was brought at a standstill by the cyber attack. Over 4,200 gas stations were stopped working, and instead of the fuel prices, there is a message written, "Khamenei, where is our fuel?" And it wasn't a hardware or a system failure, it was a cyber attack onto the embedded systems of the gas fuels and the gas distribution embedded system, which is responsible for controlling of all these fuel stations.
Iran's nearly 4,000 petrol stations went offline. That means the electronic payment system that they use was no longer working. Millions of Iranians depend on that electronic pay system. Petrol station owners were forced to shut down.
And this has led to the Iran government brought to the knees for its economy for number of days, and concern to integrate the embedded security techniques even to the fuel distribution kind of embedded systems. One more last news we will dwell into is June last year in 2024, over 13,000 with smart home cameras were compromised. All of their live feeding and even the private audios from bedrooms to the baby monitors to drawing rooms to the kitchen area were being exposed to the strangers.
If you have a Wise security camera at home, an alarming glitch. 13,000 people received video thumbnails from other people's homes, which may have made your home and what's private only to you visible to strangers. In a statement, though, the company blaming the breach.
And this is because of an embedded security design flaw in the firmwares written for the smart cameras. Wiz Labs, which is an American technological company on the smart homes and the smart cameras, is brought with number of questions for not implementing the embedded security designs effectively in their products. And guys, these are not science fiction incidents or the movies. These are real world examples from automotive systems of a Tesla model car to the avionic systems of the US Air Force drones, to the industrial automation systems of a fuel distribution system, to the smart homes and smart cameras product. Embedded systems and these embedded devices are everywhere, and when they are not secure and connected to the internet, wireless or the remote connections, these can be compromised and the results can be devastating. Welcome to the video of embedded security technology in embedded systems. Embedded security is the invisible shield that protects the brain of these embedded devices from the cyber attacks and the unauthorized or the unwanted and malicious attacks and the controls. In today's video, we are gonna dwell into the technology of embedded security, what it is, and what are the different mechanisms in which it is implemented into the modern embedded systems so that they keep reliable, safe, and the hacker proof. Let's come to the question of what is embedded security, and we will understand it in a very simple and a layman terms by having an analogy. Let's say we have a websites, just like we have websites for different things like shopping, banking, online courses, each one representing the company's identity, products or the services. And these websites are always at a risk of being hacked or data leaks. And while that is a serious concern as it can lead to the financial loss or the privacy breach. But now come to the real world examples of embedded devices which are there in our automotive systems like of cars, infotainment systems, braking systems or avionic systems like in drones, missiles, aircrafts or even in medical systems to the smart homes and smart products. And just like websites talk to each other over the server using the internet protocol, same way these embedded devices also talk to each other or the servers via different wired or the wireless protocols like of CAN, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LIN, SPI, UART and etc. And while an attack on a website is a bad, but an attack on these embedded devices, let's say braking system of a car or a drone's control systems, it can lead to the catastrophic consequences, even loss of a life or even the nation's loss on a war. And this is where exactly comes the embedded security technology. Embedded security technology is a digital armor on all of the embedded and electrical and electronic gadgets which we see around us to keep them safe, reliable and hack proof so that they can't be controlled or their information can't be leaked to our enemies or to our hackers.